Hello, everyone. Welcome to another exciting episode of the Relationship Show on Pinnacle TV. My name is Glory Irubov. And today, we have a very amazing, not just amazing, beautiful, did I just say beautiful? Gorgeous and classy lady in the building.
Good.
Please make welcome Miss Irene.
Oh my god, was that for me? Gorgeous, seriously, thank you so much. I appreciate that. I really appreciate it. It's nice to be on this show with you today. Yeah, I hope to make it exciting too.
I trust you. You've always have.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay. Today we're discussing something. A lot of persons see it as something that is normal, but to me it's not normal. So that's why I want to talk about it. I want to see my mind as it is. So today we're going to be talking about some lies that men and women tell in marriages that's not good.
Wow.
Men, you tell a lot of lies. You tell 100% lies than the women. We know. So we're going to expose some of those lies today, so that you change your ways and a man, so that you can be a better
You see
man.
the way you see the way you are pointing it to the men. This is partial. Women also tell lies, right?
No, they do, but not as much as the men do. The men is
Really?
like, they see it as a habit. It's
Oh.
something inherent, something that they are used to.
Well, I think you're not far from the truth, my friend.
Thank
Yeah,
you.
because most times in marriages, and not just marriages, relationship and friendship, lies is the basic end point of most of them. You see, it's a major thing and it's a good topic, and I must applaud you for that. Okay, now, firstly, in relationship, let's say marriages, when you talk of lies, it's from both sides, the man and the woman. And yes, the man, this lie that you guys always tell, like, my wife, yes, these kids I will have are the only kids. Only, God forbid, after your death, will not find out there's one boy outside that have been your son for like 30 years and your wife didn't know about it. This is a major one, and it's not fair to the woman, your partner that you put
It's
at
not
home.
fair. Someone that you say you love every day.
Yes,
you
you
just wake up
understand.
and
This
you
is
be
a
holding
major lie.
such big dick,
And
secret.
that secret is even so bad that even after the death of the man, it
That's
comes
when it
up
even
and it
comes
brings
up.
problem for the family.
Yes, and
Yes,
confusion
it's
in the
really a
home.
major one. Yes, and the women too. I told you, it's a both-sided
Yeah, a
thing.
vice versa.
So you see, the women as well. You give birth for a man, and the man has been taking care of a particular child for 10 years, 15 years, only to find out that child he has been paying school fees for is not his. Oh my goodness!
This is the
you see
zenith of
when
the lies that women
when a
tell.
woman wants to do something that a man does, they do it even further. Yes, you ask me how. You see, a man will do this, and the child is not at home, because why? The woman will not even take it, but the woman will do it, and you will even be training another man's child.
Yeah.
Can you beat that? As in, can you really beat that? Yes, it's a major one from the woman's side.
Okay, that takes me to the story early this year.
Okay.
The lady and
Yeah.
the woman was married to this average guy. It's not as if the guy does not have money. He has money, but just that the bank. Sorry, let me not mention the bank. This big bank. She was having an affair with this big bank manager, and she happens to work in the bank, and all the kids she has for her husband, about 3 kids, actually belongs to this bank
Wow.
manager, and she has living in the marriage with the man for years, more than a decade. So when the man when the man got to find out, I think the man never remained the same. He eventually died.
How, my sister, will you remain
No,
the
the
same?
woman didn't even give birth to one for the man. But a lot of persons were like, probably the man, something is not working. How will you be living with a woman for more than 10 years and she doesn't even have one child for you in the same house?
I don't know.
But
I
that's
don't know
absolutely
if I should cry or smile over this issue, but it's really heartbreaking, because you can't find out that a child has been calling you daddy, daddy. Is not yours. It's not. His blood and yours are not the same. Do you understand? And the woman can keep that secret and still be in the house cooking for you.
Should I
eating
shock
with
you? The man didn't even get to find out. She was the one who told the man that, see, these children don't belong to you. Let me just tell you the
Wow.
truth. I'm
Oh
done
my
with this
God.
marriage.
Oh
And
my
she took them
God.
and left for another country.
Oh my
They actually
God,
did
this is so
DNA
sad.
and they discovered that what the woman said was true. So assuming the woman didn't even tell the man, probably
He won't
till he
find
die, he wouldn't find out.
Wow, it's really sad. It's really sad because this generation, a lot of things that have been unheard of in the past just keeps happening. In the past, you don't hear this that a woman is married.
It's a
Why?
taboo.
Because it's there's this tradition. There's it's forbidden. But I don't know, because of civilization and because
Yeah.
of a lot of things. Everything
A lot
has
of
changed.
agitation.
Yes,
for
everything
male and
everything
female
has changed,
rights.
and sometimes you hear a woman when they are caught in this act, they'll say, "After all, my husband did it."
He did it
Yes,
first.
yeah, he did it first, so I should pay back or I should do this. I don't think the world will go well if all of us, an eye for an eye, everybody will be blind. So I think that women should at least calm down, because the rate is getting much, and the men will get hurt more because they are the ones spending. They are the one taking care of the family. They are the one going up and down, and you are just at home going to meet another man and coming back to his house. It's not nice. It's hurting. It's hurting, and I understand.
So
From my male counterparts, some of them are in the studio with us today. Yes, I understand their point of view. Yes.
let me not ask the man standing there. If not, he would just kill the wife. We wouldn't know. He would shoot.
Sometimes the men will not be able to control their anger, and they'll do something drastic. But that's if you hear some stories, all these men dying in hotel rooms, their wife, how will they feel as well? They are home waiting for you
Look
to
at
be
this
back.
Super TV boss.
You understand? So things like that men do. In fact, I don't know how to make it. Is it 50-50 or is it 60-40?
I
What do you think?
It's already 50-50 now.
It's
'cause
50-50,
What
right?
a man does, a woman
Does it better?
If
And
a woman
worse.
lies, a woman does it better. And whatever you give to a woman, she
She
multiplies
yeah,
it,
that's
she
true.
doubles it
That's
up
true.
for
And
you.
also talking about these lies in a relationship, there are major lies and there are minor lies. I don't know why it's like sometimes. Though I know a lie is a lie, no matter what it is. But sometimes when you don't expect it, something to escalate. Like for example, a woman telling her husband school fees is 80,000 when school fees is 40,000, and the man gets to find out after some years. So this is how much you have been paying from this school, and I gave you 80,000 all through, and then just decide
You know
to
why
leave the
this is
marriage.
bad? Probably they will have an argument and we're like, okay, this school fees is 80,000, and the guy was like, maybe his friend like, no, my children goes to this school and their school fees is 40,000. He said, no, my children also goes. I have 4 children in that school and I pay 80,000,
But
and he will be arguing blindly.
But I don't really think that is enough for you to say your wife should go, because one, and in every situation in life, like as far as I'm concerned or as far as I'm grown, like what I've seen, I think everything has a reason. No matter what it is, at least you should get to know a reason why something happened before you can let that thing go. Because for your wife to lie from 40 to 80, like what's the problem? Like, honey, what's the problem? Why do you have to add such huge amounts to the bill? You understand? Then you hear from her, okay, I didn't know how to ask you, or I know you wouldn't give it to me, and I know that you must give it to your child. That's why I asked you.
So let me ask you, that takes me down to the issue of men. They seem to adhere to their children needs more than that of their wives, which ideally is not
Well,
supposed to
I
be
don't
so.
think you should classify all men.
Most of them.
Some of them, or most of them.
Most
I don't
of
know.
them, I
Yeah,
know
but
most of them.
but what do you expect? A man being married to his wife, no companion yet. They're just the both of them doing everything she asks, giving everything, and then a baby comes in. Like, what do you think? You should know that maybe his attention will shift, but not fully shift
No,
away.
I used to think that it's the woman's attention that shifts from the man to the children. But I got to find out of recently that the man's spending actually shifts to the children instead of the man. And this is kind of alarming. It's
Okay, the man spends more on his kids than his wife.
yes.
That's the reason for this little lie that I said is the minor one that shouldn't break the relationship. Because if a woman finds out that you will do anything for your child, at least she will use your child to be collecting from you. Do you understand? Because you should make it equal. She is the mother of your child. If she is not strong, she can't take care of your child. So if she asks you for something that you know you can afford and you refuse to give it to her, she has every right to lie, right? At least we should give them that little lie. Can't we give the women
I
that?
have this lady in my former house in Port Harcourt, a landlady. I think that woman is a Cameroonian woman. sometimes she tell her baby to lie down on the bed. He will snap her and send to the dad because the dad is overseas, and I'm like, your baby is sick, and the man sent down huge amount of money.
The first question, if I'm with that kind of woman, is do you lack or you're just greedy? There are either two things involved. It's either you are lacking, that's why you are doing that, or you are greedy. Maybe the man is sending you your own money monthly and sending his kid his money monthly. Then you just feel, oh, I need more. Probably you want to get something for yourself. Is it greed, or is it that you are lacking? There is one thing. There are some people that will tell you, my husband doesn't even give me anything. It's only my children that he gives. Okay, fine. That kind of woman, why would the man do this? How did he get to that? How did he get to that stage? What happened? Okay, did you put dates? Did you have a relationship? Did you know him? How did you get married to him? When you were dating him, did he put his family before you? Did he listen to his friends before you? Yes, some people you see in relationship, you say, okay, baby, do it like this now. Buy this land. Don't do this. Don't say, okay, are you sure? Or go and tell his friend. And his friend will say, no, that land are rubbish. Don't do that.
No, but you know
see,
that
you will not listen to his
relationship is
friend.
different from marriage.
No, you see.
Some men
Let me tell you something. Relationship and marriage are basically the same thing. Yes, why will I say that? Because I'm married. When you are with a man, you know you are your full heart, you know you have given it to this man. You are dating. Yes, you have, maybe sometimes you even stay with him. Do you get? So in your own mind as a woman, like if you are a virtuous woman, you're already like, I'm a married woman self, I'm already doing like a married woman, you know. Do you get? You are already like communicating, you are talking, he asks you for advice, you give to him. It's likewise in marriage. The only difference is you go to church, you do it formally, and you do it in the public. The thing is inside, what is the bond between the both of you during the relationship? Does he listen to you? Does he care about you? Does he put you first? Do you understand? Does it put you first? So this is one thing that people should know. You can't tell me now, you just come all of a sudden, my husband is this, my husband is that, he is this, is that. I'll say, madam, did you date him? Say yes, we dated.
Away from the men, what are the lies that women tell? Because this
that one that women tell, we just spoke about it, the one of adding. You know, I think I'm a victim, so let me not lie. Sometimes I want to buy you my hair. We get to do one of these things to do something, you understand?
No, but something is just sometimes to do it excessively.
No, doing it excessively is not good. Like a habit. No, it's not good because when you know too much of everything,
it's bad.
It's bad.
But if you should tell him, okay, I lied. Later in the evening, maybe you told him in the morning, see that money I took from your hand, I just lied. And
you just joke about it. Yeah, it's not better that way. Not something you'll be doing, and the man gets to find that there'll be no trust in the relationship anymore. This is one major thing that women should know. You shouldn't make it an habit, so increase everything. What is 10 naira, you say it's 20 naira. These men, they try as well. You know, they work hard and they do what they can. Then you try to
work harder.
I know, taking care of the family and everything.
Some women take care of the family, and some also work.
I know.
And the man only work. He does not take care of the family.
It's like this. My sister came ready for the men today.
So I think the ladies do harder work. We do
harder work.
The men don't get to see their money.
You know something.
The men don't get to see their money.
There's this post I said one day, and I saw rather. It made me laugh a lot. You know, the men were like, daddy's birthday, daddy will send money. Mommy's birthday, daddy will send money. Children's birthday, daddy will send money.
Daddy's birthday, that will bring money.
He said, what is the man? I said, what is all this? Is it only daddy that is doing everything? And I said, let me give you why you are doing everything. I replied to the comment. He said, why? I said, one, you people don't see your period. Yes, sir. You people don't give birth.
Tell them.
Yes, even in marriages, in relationship, people don't want to cook, you don't want to wash, you don't want to clean
at all.
So why is it not supposed to be daddy when it's only mommy that goes through this?
Money that you provide.
It's just
that men sometimes they're afraid to provide the emotional availability. They don't do that.
They just feel when I give you money,
they'll be vulnerable when they provide so much emotional availability.
Yeah, they just feel, Yes, I don't know
why. They
feel
vulnerable to that.
Some men just feel, okay, once I credit your account, that should be fine. Yes, I know we love money. Send us money. Yes, we love. But let me tell you a secret. Women love emotions.
And men are ready to do
they love
that.
attention. They love attention. They love romance. They love care. Have you
See,
eaten?
instead of
What
a
are
man
you
to
doing?
be emotionally,
It's just-
you will walk away from that. You will be like, maybe you are if
No,
I
it
get
will say,
into
I
intense-
beg, it's money that's in my
Yes,
mind right
and
now.
emotional. You will just stand up from there. It's not as if they don't feel it, but they have this tendency not to let it out, not to.
Yeah.
Yeah. So some lies that other lies that women tell is
Well, some lies about some women before marriage always lie that they are virgins.
that one
This
is common.
major. And then
Almost all the girls, all the
it's a
slave queens are in this category.
and it's not good. I think you should just be open enough with your man
Yes.
instead of waiting for your period. Then you not sleep with him and like lie that you have been disvirgin when you have been doing it all this while. It's major. I don't think it's right. And to conclude all this our conversation, I would like to say something. Why is it that men feel that cheating is like a norm for them? Like they'll say it's variety. Men like variety. They don't eat one soup. Why do they feel that we women we just like one soup? Why?
See, first thing I want to say is, when a woman cheats on a man and a man forgives you, run for your life. Because you have never ever
They cannot forgive
run
you.
for your life.
A man forgive his woman for cheating.
You are a woman, your man caught you cheating
And
he told you
forgive
to your face.
But women do forgive
Run
them.
for your life. So that's the society. What I'm trying in essence is, this is the society will find ourselves.
Yeah.
We know that things are changing, but I think it take like extra, maybe a century before everything can be balanced.
Yes,
So
it
that's
has to
that.
be balanced.
And lastly, so recently I saw a post on IG where the woman said she was tired of the marriage, she was fed up that she was pregnant, heavily pregnant for her husband, and the husband went ahead to get a car for the mom while leaving her to her fate and to her struggles.
but
So, what do you have to say about
I think I came across this post as well. I don't think it's right for the man to get his own mother a car when his wife is pregnant. Though this thing I'm saying is like it comes around.
Yes.
You understand? Because that woman will give birth to a son. The son will be grown up, and she will expect our son to give her things first before giving to his wife. This is like a normal thing, like in this part of the world. You understand? We expect it like that, but it's not supposed to be so, because when you are married to your wife, you guys are one. I'm not saying it's wrong for you to get a car for your mom, but your wife is heavily pregnant and trekking and going through all this stress just to have your child. Don't you think it's better to give your wife
I
the car?
think it is the wrong timing, doing the right thing at the wrong
Okay,
time.
yes, because
On the part
it's
of the
okay
man,
to give
because
your,
it's not actually bad to give
but
your mom
giving
a car.
her a car when your wife is pregnant with your own child and trekking and entering buses from one place to another while your mom just drives the car, it's somehow, I don't know, I don't see it
I
right.
actually think there's something wrong in the family, because there's no way your man will get a car for the mom without your consent, without letting you know even before he gets the car.
Well, there are some men that just feel they take their decisions like
Some men don't
they
carry their
even
wives
care.
along.
Like
Yes, in
maybe they have already done it.
decision-making,
Then they'll tell you,
yes.
"Oh, I got my mom a car today." Oh. Be like, you didn't even tell me. Saying, "Hey, is it your money?" That's an abusive
Like Nigerian men,
relationship.
people should change. If you're not ready for the responsibility, if you're not ready to be a husband, because husband is different from a boyfriend. Husband is different from a man. Every man is a man, but not every man that can make a husband.
Yes.
So just
Putting your family first is a major thing,
takes
and
every man to do
yes, before extended. Yeah.
that. All right, that's all we can take on today's episode of the
I
Relationship
feel
Show.
bad.
I'm so happy that you came around, and you actually, in my own opinion, actually felt you did justice to the topic.
Oh,
If you're out
thank you.
there, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, share, and tell a friend about Pinnacle TV. Bye.
Tell me what you were thinking when you were sleeping with my husband. That makes me look like a whore.
That makes you a whore.
Are you a virgin?
Of course not.